Pam param pam pam. Pam param pam pam. Hey, George, wake up!
My wagons.
Hey, come on, the sun is high. Hey, are you still snoring? Still snoring, yeah.
What? It's mine. What you made me do?
Come on, don't take it so hard.
What happened to make you come so early? To scare me to death? Look at you, my best friend.
I couldn't wake you up. What did you dream about? Come on, tell me, huh?
Where are you going? Oh, my wagons. I was dreaming that I was the strongest in town. And I thought to myself, it's so good, it's so very good to be a train. And then you came in and ruined everything.
I didn't ruin anything. Wagons are boring. You should have dreams that you fly in, as I do.
Again?
Yes, again. And you know what? I've been thinking of becoming a plane.
You what?
I need to know what it's like to really fly, you know? For now, these mind-blowing dreams don't let me sleep a wink.
Hey, don't be silly.
Hey, George, don't fail me. Please, I beg you. Can you think of something? You may not be the strongest train I know, but you're certainly the smartest of the trains.
The end of the trail.
No, it's not over.
You remember the theory, right?
Come on, it's easy. Clear the prop.
You remember the instructions?
I know, George. Stop bugging me. Let's do this.
What about safety rules? Oh, what about precautions?
Woo-hoo! Ha-ha!
Ethan! Ooh!
Ow, 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 ow! Oh, oh, oh!
How's that?
It's scary. It's high and scary. I'm going all
What did I
over the
tell you
place.
about the instructions?
Oh, George! George!
What is it?
Do you know how to land this thing?
Yes, I do. Theoretically, that is. But I've never flown myself.
I flew. I really did. But only in my dreams.
You throttle down, Ethan. You extend the flaps.
In my dreams, it was much easier, though.
Ethan, you're not a plane. You are a train. Pulling wagons is not that bad, actually.
Yes, my dear friend. I think I'm getting it now. Hey, where are you taking my wings, George, huh?
I'm taking these to the trash.
Stop. Can't you see? Even a train sometimes needs to fly high. Can I have my wings, please? See you later, my dear friend. And thank you so much for my first real flight ever.
See ya. Those train or planes, who knows what's in their mind?
Hey, friends, press to subscribe and watch the new episodes.
An extraordinary event is coming next month. A giant comet will fly in space between our train city and the moon.
Wow, a comet! We must go and welcome it, guys. I think I have an idea.
George, are you sure we have enough soap for a long flight?
Our soap engine produces 1,000 bubbles a second at the least. The comet is at a distance of 150 million bubbles. What's your school math grade anyway? Start the main soap engine. One, start!
Just look at how beautiful it is out there.
These countless stars. What is this lovely blue planet? Is it Earth?
Yes, and there is our train city, guys. It's right over there.
Oh, where in the world is Ethan?
I'm here, hanging. Hovering.
Be very careful in a gravity-free state.
Attention, please. We're approaching the comet.
Everybody,
Attention,
take your
please.
seats. We're landing
We're
on the
approaching
comet.
the comet.
Well, everybody, welcome to the comet.
It doesn't seem welcoming at all.
A cool place if you ask me. It's really cool.
Be careful, Ethan. Space winds may sweep you away.
Oh! Whoa! Will I ever stop tossing and turning today? I'm sick to my stomach. Whoa, what a funny space dream I'm having.
We are happy to welcome you to our comet, alien.
Welcome to your comet? Is it real then? Wait, why do we look alike? Are we relatives?
We always take a shape of an object we see for the first time. And this is the first time we see you.
Awesome!
We'll split into 3 groups and look for Ethan. I'll start by...
Hey, look, guys! I'm here!
Didn't you mean we are here? Ethan, enough with your tricks.
These funny comet aliens. Did you see them?
Yeah, they took the shape of our tank wagon.
George, what did you give them as a souvenir?
I gave them soap. They've never seen it before, ever.
All hail soap. Ouch. Ouch.
Oh, Ethan, don't do that. You shouldn't take refuge from a thunderstorm under a tree. It could get struck by lightning.
But if you run in an open field, you could get struck yourself.
Listen, it would be better if we run into the valley, or if we go home instead, Ethan.
What's wrong with him?
It got struck by lightning and turned wild.
Oh, a thunderstorm is coming on. Close the windows and be very, very careful.
Oh.
George, Ethan, are you okay? You shouldn't be afraid of storms. You should just go home.
We're not afraid of storms. We're simply afraid of a wild trolleykin.
I don't know how to say this, but I've got trolleykin phobia. I'm not afraid of domestic trolleycans, but the wild ones, they really scare me. I can't help it. I am so sorry. It's no good. This trolleykin has gone wild. We need to get hold of it.
What about your trolleykin phobia?
A true policeman is not a policeman who is afraid, but one who is scared to be afraid.
That's true. Well said. We have to remember that for later.
All citizens in Train City, we need your help immediately.
Hey guys, will our trolley king stay wild forever?
Only a miracle can save us now.
That's a good trolleykin. It's nice to see you not wild anymore.
Well, it was more fun when T. Trolleykin was wild.
Oh no, guys. It's good that wild trolley king turned back to normal.
All right, let's all go home now. There's another thunderstorm coming. Huh? Well, it looks like our trolleykin friend has gone wild again. I guess we're gonna have to help him, guys.